What's going on, Faded Culture? Adrian Barone here. We got another tutorial for y'all today. We'll be doing a shadow fade, basically a fade with the half on the sides. Very versatile look, very timeless look. Before we get into it, I wanted to give a huge thank y'all, man, for y'all support. We just hit that 10K subscriber mark. We decided to do a little giveaway for appreciation on that. We're gonna go ahead and give away a Babyliss FX clipper and a Babyliss skeleton. And if you know Babyliss, you know that's an expensive setup. That's like $400 worth of clippers right there. We will be choosing the winner this Sunday, which is June the 21st. And yeah, best of luck. Thank y'all once again, and let's get to this tutorial. Alright guys, so to start this tutorial off, we're gonna start with the one guard, lever open, and just clean out the surface. This is not a guideline, this is just to help me clean out the hair, take some bulk off. That way when I do come in and put my guidelines, it's easier to see and it gives a cleaner result. Now with my four guard lever open, I'm gonna clean up, come all the way up to the parietal ridge and flick out. And basically now I know that I'm fading up to a 4.5, so it makes the fade process a little easier. This is my first guideline right here, lever open, which is the half, and just start right under the temple peak area. My second guideline will be the number 1, lever open, coming up about 2 centimeters or so. And make sure you're flicking out as you get toward that top of that guideline. That way it's easier to fade out when we come back to it. Next guideline would be the 2.5. And as you can see, this 2.5 blends in pretty good to the 4.5. Again, just make sure you flick out, guys. Keep that C-scoop motion. And last of the cleaning up process will be the 3 lever open, and just continue that same motion, guys. Notice right here as I show you how I'm scooping out from that parietal ridge, I'm not digging in. And right here we're pretty much done with the cleaning up process. Now to start fading out, I'm gonna get my 1.5 guard, lever open, and start flicking at that guideline that I created with my 1 guard. And as I go through it, I'm gonna just close the lever halfway, keep going at it, and then close it all the way and keep going at it. And pay as much attention to detail as you can, guys. I'm constantly brushing hair, cleaning the canvas, and I'm constantly going over these same spots. As you see, I do multiple strokes for each section of the hair, just to make sure I get things that much closer and tighter. Now with my half guard, lever halfway, I'm gonna start flicking at that guideline that we created with our lever open in the beginning. And just taking that up about 1 centimeter, really using those corners to help clean out the area. And now with my 1 guard lever open, I'm gonna start the process of lever open, close the lever halfway, and then close the lever all the way. And the reason I start with the lever open, guys, it's just basically like a safety net. That way I don't cut too much off at a time. Really using those corners, and as you can see, the fade has come together. As for the back, it's the same exact process, that 1.5 to clean up and then I do the 4 coming off the occipital bone and start the fade process, guys. I'm not gonna bore you telling you all the details again, but I will put the description in the bottom of the screen on the guards that I'm using and where my lever stands. Alright guys, the fade is pretty much done right there. Now I'm gonna just clean up the neckline with a like elongated taper, I guess you can say, using the Sub-Zero to clean out all the peach fuzz, and then my 0, and then just open the lever as I go up every step. And I repeat this process for both sideburns. And as for the top, she already had it very short, but I just went in there and added a little bit more texture using the point cutting technique. And we'll do another video on that just to grab more detail on it in the future. To give this haircut a little bit just more pop, we added a line and then I cleaned it out with the straight razor. I'm just gonna go ahead right here and style the hair using texturizing powder. Really great product. This is one by Slick Gorilla. I'll link it down below, guys, so y'all can check it out. Alright guys, and this is the finished look right here, a shadow fade. Basically a fade using the half, cleaned out the neckline and the sideburns with the elongated taper, added a little bit of texture on top. Let me know what y'all think of this look on the comments down below, guys. And thank y'all once again for tuning in. Peace.